Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Tech Tips to Go. And in today's video, I'm just going to explain why we're seeing this big move and this big jump for Vechain Vet on the market. So if you guys were watching the markets last night, you probably saw, Vechain go from, or Vet go from 0.029 all the way up to about 0.04663. So the reason why this is happening is two things. Global markets, countries, more and more countries, they're kind of at ease with the coronavirus. I guess it's sounding like more positive news for certain countries. They think that the pandemic might be slowing down. So here's a great article from FX Street. And basically, to summarize this, it just says, global stocks surge as coronavirus risk ease. So I'll leave a link to the article, but what it mentions is global stocks rose today as positive momentum returned to the market. Momentum picked up on hopes that the corona pandemic is under control. So I guess it really depends on the country that you're in. So Italy's hoping to bend that curve. Certain parts of the states, New York, not so much. I think in New York, they're hoping to reach a peak sometime this week, and then hopefully it'll surge down. But, and they mentioned in this article that the number of deaths and new infections has continued to fall in key countries like Germany, Italy, and Belgium. I did read an article about Germany looking to open up their doors for more businesses and so on. So that, it gives more positivity out in the world, because over the last weeks or last month, we've just been hearing but negative and, stay at home procedures and lockdowns, etc. So that's one of the main reasons. And if you look at the overall trend for the last couple of days, since yesterday, everything has been trending upwards. So as we open the markets today, you could look at the CAD US dollar. The Dow is actually on a positive. It's plus 660. The S&P is up. It closed up. So, that's just great news. So we're trending that up today. And then as you look at the cryptocurrency market, it was the same thing. So, everything was pretty much green. And if you kind of look at this, we all know that when Bitcoin goes up, a lot of the altcoins go up. But if you look at this substantial increase, which is it's about 14% for Vechain, which is great news. And the reason being is because of this. And this is not financial advice, but I think that it's going to go down a little bit more. It's 0.0039. This happened last time when Vechain was listed on, I think, a new exchange. I forgot which one it was. It might have been the Korean exchange. But anyways, Upbit, this was the news, and this is why it's trading pretty high, and it took that 14% increase, is because Upbit, Vechain Foundation mentioned Korean cryptocurrency exchange Upbit has now added VET KRW fiat trading pair. So that's equivalent to, Vechain or VET and the US trading for those of you who are in North America. So they've added that fiat currency, the Korean exchange, the Korean dollar. So they mentioned, thank you for the support. A trading competition is also being held with generous VET rewards. And one thing I do recommend, for you, Vechain, for the VET family out there, you can see that positive impact and the price surge of 14%. I think it's based on two things, which is this news, which is the trading fiat trading pair from VET to KRW, and global news in terms of the Dow, the whole market is up. But as Vechain gets more and more partnerships or gets into more and more exchanges in North America and around the world, we'll just see Vechain skyrocket. And that's why I made another video or made another tweet on my Twitter page. I said, as we grow, or as Vechain grows, just imagine if Vechain was on Coinbase. For those of you who purchase a lot of your altcoins and crypto coins on Coinbase. And the simplest thing that you can do is, one, support the channel. Number two, reach out to support and ask them, is VET available for purchase on Coinbase? Simplest thing. If you're Vechain enthusiast, maximalist, head over to Coinbase, send them an email, and ask them when VET is going to be added to their list of trading partners or for purchasing. So anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, support the channel. If you like Vechain, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.